Hi guys, my name is Dean Quinto from DinOnlinePitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Elevate. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Elevate works. Now for this limited time offer, make sure to pick this up before the price is gonna go up soon because I'm offering you this product for a discounted price. So if you can click the link down below in the description of my video to check it out. And also I'm offering you my free bonuses and I will show you how you can get this product from here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in the description of this video. So just keep an eye on my bonus banner here, and that will be my bonus page for me to offer you my free bonuses. Now anyway, this is inside of the members area of Elevate. Now Elevate, to put it briefly, is a web application that's compatible with both Mac and PC and also for mobile devices, which is an all-in-one system that lets you find domain authority where you can purchase inside of the members area. So you can actually purchase this high domain authority to use for backlinks, so it's gonna help your website rank on Google search and gives you that authority with this method. And so once you build your authority website, you can actually sell your high quality or your high authority website in several platforms at the same time using the Ultra Poster option here. And you can use their high converting formats right over here, so you can easily sell these high authority websites for a high price value. So as you can see here, this is the main dashboard of Elevate. So once you go there first, you wanna check out the demo of this video prior to starting to how this everything works. And so inside of this premium training here, it's going to explain to you how or how you can get started with this. And so this is not like any other platforms out there where you can watch the videos and apply what you learn, but this is something I would say this is not recommended for newbies. This is actually good for the experienced marketers out there who are looking for high authority websites, so they can add it to their backlinks, and that those backlinks is actually gonna help their authority for their content or for their software, or they can sell this website to their clients for more profit. And so once you watch this training, it's going to explain to you how everything works. Then over here is where you can find Domain Finder. So as you can see here, these are just samples where you can actually look at all this thing here. This is all the information that you can potentially buy domains, so that you can add these domains into a website builder, so you can start having this website from this high domain authority, and then you can actually sell it over here in the poster, Ultra Poster. You can sell it onto this high converting platforms. And so once you find a domain of your choice over here, you're gonna have to purchase the domain of your choice that you can find here, by the way. Then once you find one, and then let's say we'll buy that from this here, okay, and it's gonna take a while. So as you can see here, it's gonna give you a price of the .com that you want to buy specifically, okay, so this is not available, and so all you gotta do is just keep searching for the specific high domain that is available to purchase. So which is a good thing, at least you know ahead of time that that high authority domain is actually bought. And so all you gotta do is just keep looking over here. So this one is available, $1 a month. If you're interested in that, go buy one, or if not, then all you gotta do is just keep searching for the specific domain that you want by referring to this is the DA, or the domain authority scores here. So the higher the better, and so as you can see here, that's a good one, 80, and then all you gotta do is just click on to buy, and hopefully it's available. Then once that's available, then you can go ahead and purchase one. Now once you get your domain, you can hop into the website builder. Then over here is where you can actually build your website from the domain right here, so everything is gonna get set up easily. Then once you've done that, once you start building your website, you can hop into the Ultra Poster. Then you can this is where you sell all your the website builder that you build from here. This is high converting contents here, or the high converting formats. So you can pretty much do your campaign list here, create your call to action post, do a video carousel, video post, social posters such as you can do text posts, image posts, or you can do a video post, link post if you like, or the HTML post. So yes, that's how it works. And so it's pretty much how you can set up your own high authority domain, and you can pretty much build it over here. Then once you get to building your own domain authority website, then you can pretty much set it up over here for the high converting formatting, so that you'll be able to sell your website. Or if you want, if you are looking for backlinks to add for a high authority website, then you can actually use that for your own business benefit if you are into online marketing. So so that's how it works. And then I want to talk about the benefits of Elevate. Now this program, the Elevate, is actually one of the most awesome program that I've ever come across, because what you do here is build your high authority websites for backlinks, and you can do this keep your website for your backlinks, or you can sell it to your clients, because most of the clients that you may have or affiliate marketers out there that you'd like to sell this, they're looking for high authority websites to help their contents or their websites to rank up on top of Google search. So this is an SEO approach for them to rank their websites. And if you add your website link to a high authority site, it's actually going to give you more power to your site and builds authority from a backlink perspective. And a lot of businesses and marketers out there are looking for high authority domains for this very reason. And so when you build one for them, you can sell it for a couple dollars for profit. And this is actually a good idea to sell this to your clients who are trying to build authority to their websites. They actually, the way it works is they simplified this method. So you can only retrieve high quality authority websites that you can choose from, and use that specific high authority domain and build it into their website builder over here easily by plugging in the theme that's available onto building this website. And after you start building your website from a high domain authority, then you can sell it by using the Ultra Poster option that comes with the program. And I would say this is, again, this is not recommended for newbies, but recommended for seasoned online marketers who have little experience with SEO and ranking. Now, with my bonus page, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. And if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Elevate, this is going to go live on August 26th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before my countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here is to claim your bonuses. They are 100% free of charge and instantly delivers to you. And all you need to do, first of all, is click on that link down below in the description of my video, and just keep scrolling down and click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. Okay, and then if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page here, and which you will find down below in the description of my video. And then go ahead and you can send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. And now these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be one-time price of $17. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So right over here, if you click the link down below in the description of my video and just scroll down here, and this is where the available upgrades you can actually check out if you're interested in looking for upgrading your purchase for Elevate. And once you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Elevate, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now this is my way of saying thank you so much for watching my review video. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. Now you want to make sure to click the link down below in the description of this video, and if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you'll find down below in the description of this video. And you can go ahead and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Elevate. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 29th. So you make sure that you look up for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $17. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Elevate review. Now I hope you enjoyed my review video, and make sure to click the link down below in the description of my video to purchase Elevate at the discounted price. And also don't forget my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.